Hello again, welcome to Kudea Art. Today I'm going to be working on a project that I pulled out of the archives. This is in honor of a king. This is Cecil the Lion. Several years ago, back in 2015, he was unfortunately murdered by a Florida dentist for a trophy, and that's really sad. Anyway, this painting honors his legacy. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the video. I'm using a round 4 to get the detail, the liner around his eyes, and a filbert number 4 to lay in some of the larger areas around his eyes. If you've watched any of my other videos, you will know that I love painting big cats. As a matter of fact, I just released a mini showing of 4 of my biggest cats. You should check that out. This is a very special project for me. Cecil the Lion was the leader of his pride, and taken way too soon in this world for sport. I'm adding in some yellow and some orange tints in his irises. A lion's eyes are very piercing, and they're often always gold or yellow. I will be adding more detail to his irises and the areas surrounding his eyes in another video. Here I'm using a flat number 4 just to fill in some of the areas because he was sort of just past the rough-ins a little bit when I left off several years ago. I'm using a fan number 2 to blend in some of these areas in his mane. So I've started to work a little bit more on the background. He's depicted here in the clouds, watching over his pride. I'm using a filbert number 10 to work on these larger areas. He's laying on a bed of puffy clouds. I've heard from several sources that all animals come from the angelic realm, and they're here to teach us lessons. My goal here is to have the look of him hovering in the clouds. I'm using a combination of blue, white, and crimson red to achieve the soft look in these cloud formations. It will take a lot of blending, several layers, a few washes to achieve the actual look that I want. I truly appreciate you following along with me as I make progress on this painting. And I hope that you enjoy watching me make that progress, and I hope you get some value out of the information I'm sharing here. Please let me know in the comments. I would much appreciate that. My work or order a custom please be sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's all free and it really helps my video grow. No, that's not right. It's supposed to be channel. Okay. Please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It's all free and it really helps my channel grow. It's very much appreciated. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. It's very much appreciated. If you would like to purchase any of my work or order a custom work, please visit my shop, Kudea Art, on Etsy.com. I will pin a link in the description of this video. Thank you.